William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was born in 1564 in a town called Stratford-upon-Avon in England. His father, John, made gloves, and his mother, Mary, came from a farming family. William grew up surrounded by siblings, 2 older sisters, 2 younger sisters, and 3 younger brothers. When he was around 14 or 15, he stopped attending school. Instead, he learned Latin, Greek, and history. 3 years later, he married Anne Hathaway, and soon their family grew. They had a daughter named Susanna and twins named Judith and Hamnet. Before 1590, a new chapter beckoned. William left Stratford and moved to London, the capital city of England. This city held a special allure. London's first theatre had opened its doors in 1576. There, William's talents blossomed. He worked as an actor and also started crafting plays that captivated audiences. Unfortunately, in 1593, tragedy struck. A terrible disease called the plague swept through London, and many people died. The theaters had to close during this time to protect public health. William turned his pen to a different form of storytelling, and these short and powerful poems are called sonnets. It became another way for him to express his creativity. As London recovered, Shakespeare played a key role in building a new theater called the Globe. It opened in 1599, and this magnificent round structure could hold up to 3,000 people. Imagine the energy of the audience. Some audience members stood near the stage, while others had seats. People cheered, clapped, booed, and laughed as they watched the plays. Musicians added special sounds to make the plays more exciting. And there was even a cannon for big bangs. But there was one notable absence on stage: women. In Shakespeare's time, only men and boys acted in plays. Women were prohibited. Shakespeare's genius wasn't confined to one genre. He wrote comedies filled with joyful resolutions, with happy endings like A Midsummer Night's Dream, and tragedies with sad endings like The Star-Crossed Lovers, Romeo and Juliet. He also wrote history plays about kings and queens, such as Henry V. William Shakespeare wrote a total of 38 plays, maybe even more. His love for language was boundless, and he created new words and expressions that continue to enrich our vocabulary even today. This talent, coupled with his storytelling skills, made him a wealthy and celebrated figure. He became famous, and he owned houses in both London and Stratford. Sadly, his story ended in 1616. He passed away at the age of 52 on April 23, 1616. But his legacy lives on. His plays and poetry were popular even after 400 years, and people all over the world still appreciate his wonderful stories about fascinating characters he brought to life. I hope you enjoyed William Shakespeare's biography. Join me as we embark on a journey like never before to learn English and discover William Shakespeare's enchanting masterpiece. Like the one we mentioned in the biography, A Midsummer Night's Dream and Romeo and Juliet, and others. If you have not subscribed, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you, and see you in my next video.